This is my current setup in my Phanteks Enfield case. It's not the Enfield Pro because it has optical drives, which I still use. I'm one of those old school people who still uses physical discs in their computer. And that's how it's currently set up. Pretty happy with it right now, except for one thing. I'm wishing that I had spent a little extra money last year when I built this, back in November, and gotten me a better video card. This one's okay. It's a GeForce GTX 1650, but prices have come down. Things have become more available. This was a used card by Zotac that I got on eBay for $200, I think it was. A little under $200. I'm going to replace it now with this. This is the first brand new video card that I've bought in, oh gosh, 8 years, 7-8 years. It's kind of a big deal for me. This is a GeForce GTX 1660 Super, which I've been reading is a significant upgrade, but stays inside my budget. So this is kind of cool. We're going to be doing that today. So let's get started.